woosungflowtec RN Center is equipped with a facility that can verify the differential pressure by strainer type and mesh size in real time. The purpose of this facility is to minimize the difference between the differential pressure calculation formula of the SME code and the actual differential pressure value, and to increase the reliability of our calculated value. Also, the shape of the strainer, and because the differential pressure value for each mesh size is different, change the fluid through the pump. You can create real-time differential pressure fluctuation graphs for various products. T-type strainer is manufactured by welding based on the fitting T. According to customer requirements, two pipes can be welded to make a T shape, and it can also be manufactured in a casting form. Pump the water from the tank and run it through the pipe. By changing the flow rate with the pump, it is possible to create conditions like the real environment. Accordingly, it is possible to check the change value of the differential pressure in real time. This line consists of a pipeline, a pump, a flow meter, a strainer, and a pressure gauge. When the preset flow rate flows into the pipe through the pump, real-time flow information can be checked through the flow meter. Check the pressure of the front end of the strainer through gauge 1. Check the pressure of the fluid that has passed through the strainer through the number 2 gauge. The pressure difference between the two gauges can be checked in real time on the main control PC. That is, if a differential pressure occurs during the process of filtering the fluid through the filter, it can be immediately checked. The main control PC records and stores the data change according to the flow rate change in the graph for it. Based on this value, it is reflected in our calculation formula and standardized. As it is difficult to check the comparison with one size, you can apply each of the 3 sizes to check the changed value. This graph is a T-type strainer with a folding filter applied. This is a differential pressure record table for each size, and it is a data perforated with a value of 6 mm and a value of 8 mm by applying 40 mesh.